Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export your recovery phase from SafePal. To do so, first of all, open your SafePal application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here in this page at the top, you'll be able to see your name. Tap on your wallet name and in this page here, select your wallet and then tap on the three dots at the right side of your wallet. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with your wallet details. Here you'll be able to see the option Backup. Tap on this backup option and here you will be able to back up your mnemonic phrase, which is your master key to your wallet. Select one of these options whether you would like to back up to Google Drive or backup manually. Here I am selecting backup manually option. Tap on the option and then here you will be asked to enter the security password of your account. Once you have entered it, now you will be presented with your mnemonic phrase in order. Now here you will need to write these in the correct order and keep it in a secure location. Ensure that you do not share your recovery phase with anyone. This recovery phase is very crucial for recovering your account. If you lose it, you will not be able to access to your wallet account. So by following these steps, you should be able to export recovery phase on SafePal wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.